Mercedes has unveiled the AMG CLE 53 4MATIC Plus Coupe as a replacement for the now discontinued E53 Coupe and a rival to the BMW 4 Series Coupe. It's running an upgraded version of the 3-litre M256 inline 6-cylinder turbo engine with 449 horsepower and maximum torque of 560 Nm, or 600 Nm with overboost for 12 seconds. 0 to 62 takes 4.2 seconds with a top speed of 155 and optional top speed of 167. It's equipped with an AMG SPEEDSHIFT TCT 9G transmission and fully variable AMG Performance 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive. The CLE Coupé sits on 19-inch alloys with 20 inches as an option. An optional AMG Optics package adds extra flair to the front and rear apron, a pronounced spoiler lip and a diffuser. Further personalization options include 2 AMG Night packages and AMG Carbon packages. Pricing and delivery timelines are yet to be announced, but expect this new model sometime in 2024.